today we'll be playing some more Catbird. You thought it was over, but there's still Fourth World. It's just optional, but we're still gonna play it. And yeah, there it is. Let's see what levels there are. It's nice. What are these? Just, ooh, teleporters. Okay, I guess we're going in there. No! My controls! Oh, might as well die. But my controls glitched, you know, I kept running forward there. That was not me, that was my controls glitching. I swear! Well, that was me this time, but... Oh yeah, I have to turn my internet off since that always turns ads on. Let's go. No, it's so laggy. It is so laggy. As soon as I collect the key, it gets laggy. Boo. You see? It got laggy whenever I collected the key. But we're gonna make it now. No! Wait, I have to do the whole level over again? Whoa, the wind is rocking the house right now, so sorry for any disturbances. Ooh, I killed him. I didn't know you could do that. This is kind of scary. Scary. I will do it though. I think this is for a bonus character, so. And I have completed it before. Okay, he got knocked out. Ew, what's this, huh? Yeah, bonus character. I think this bird can go through walls, from what I've heard. Let's see what else there is to do in here. Okay, we need 25 crowns. But how many do we have? There's a crown up there. But can I switch my character somehow? How do I switch my character? Yes. I'm pretty sure that's like golden bird. But blackbird. I think with the blackbird you can get the crown. Yeah, see, you can go through the walls. Well, some of them. So, bam. And remember those crowns? I did it. I can't see. Oh, there we go. Telejump. Oh. Wait, we have to get the crown again each time. Anytime now. Ooh, boxes can teleport. Well, look at that. Please say there's a checkpoint somewhere. I really need a checkpoint. Okay. Oh. Level end is also good. But we only have 10 levels in this one, I think. So how do I get there? Like that? No. Let's get him down there, and let's jump there. Yeah, that was what you're supposed to do the whole time. Oh no, I shouldn't have pushed it this far. Okay, there we go. Checkpoint! Aw, these dudes are cute. These dudes are so cute. I really hope I don't die by these, because these are so cute. Wait. I wonder what that is. Wait, so what was that? Level 2? Level 2 or 3, I'll check that out, because after it there's like the spring. Portal sections. This doesn't seem too good. No! Oh yeah, I remember this one. And I remember that this one is annoying. Definitely if I try to get the crown, which I will try. You will not get me. No! No! I got so far. No! Please, God, no! Ooh. We're getting close here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? No. No. Portal sections, I hate you. I hate you, you hate me, we're a happy family. Ugh. No. Ah! I swear, this game is gonna kill me someday. Gonna rage die. If that's even a thing. If I don't get the crown, I'll get it later in my next video. I know exactly what I'm doing in that level. There we go. And just drop! Yes! It actually worked. You could actually just drop. That's nice. Electric wire. What does it do? And why is it above the milk? Isn't milk already enough to keep you? You know, that sounds so weird. Ah! Up and away. Up and away. Up and away. Checkpoint. Oh, yes. Did I miss the crown, though? We'll see that next time. Oh, no. So the game just crashed. It tends to do that a lot. And then my storage space also went out, so I had to do that. But now I'm back, and we're back now. We only finished at 53%. But there's also this time trial button on the bottom right. I wonder what that is. Beat the world and yeah, I'd rather not do that. I might do that next episode. But for now, down box. Right, I remember this. The torture that I had to go through. Oh, it goes that way? How did I not notice that earlier? Let's go. That was actually pretty easy, I must say. I can't move. There we go. Jeez, what are they trying to do? Kill me? 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 I did it. I am good at this. Actually not. Not very much. Oh jeez. They're going through the portal. No! No, it came so far. So I didn't know fireballs could travel through it. No! No, my God! Wait, that's all for a crown? And where's the eggs? What? But this is all for a crown. Well, it's worth it. Crowns are epic. They're enormous. Oh no! No. I swear I'm gonna turn insane from this game. Gonna turn insane from this game. Gonna turn insane from this game. Gonna turn insane if I keep playing this game. But how do we get the key? That is another question that I'd like to ask. But why did... No, you ain't doing that. You ain't. 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 So the crown is the key. Okay. Bam. This makes me sad. Ow. Why does this keep happening? Oh no, I collected the key already. Right, so then... Calm down. No need to get angry. Take a deep breath. 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 I almost failed. No. Yeah. Yeah. Check. No. Done. Yes. With the crown. God, I am amazing. Why? Upwind. Is like everything up here? No, the last level was down box, not up box. Oh. Checkpoint. Oh, this doesn't seem good. No. There we go. Oh my god, how did I outrun that? No! No. That's not acceptable. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is extremely risky. Ooh. 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 Shit, why am I doing this? What? I literally already got the crown. I failed so bad. That was 100% my fault, and I suck at this game. Subscribe, please. Like I'm doing this for subscribers. So it would be nice if someone could actually subscribe. Just a nice little thing. What the? Okay, there we go. I did it the first time. Then I literally just... I will do this. Nothing's gonna stop me. No. This is all nonsense. I'm being bamboozled. thirsting so lot. Oh! I wasn't even holding it. Going insane. Going insane. I'm literally going insane. Okay? So, it crashed again. It always does that, but I also just completed, well, I completed the previous level, and if you're asking, why did you skip a level? Well, it was very hard. If I had taken it on camera, it would have taken at least like 10 minutes. Where do I even go here? I bet there's a crown somewhere that I missed, but... Spiderweb. Oh shoot. I think it's a boss. Yup, it's a boss. Oh shoot. How do we fight? No, don't kill me. But how do we fight it? Oh my god. Ow. How do you survive that? I'm serious. Like that? Oh, like that. Okay. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. No, I'd rather not die. That's okay. It's okay, I'd rather not die. Ah. 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 Got you. He's a mean little spider. No, I don't really want to die. You know? You know what I mean? Just don't. So this is the solution. Oh shoot. Oh, I died at the same time that I knocked it out. No. No. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Why does it always do that attack at the start? Oh yeah? You wanna shoot? Yeah, shoot. 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 Oh no. Now comes the hard part. Okay, got him. Let's go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. And run! Okay. That all you got? They only take 2 hits. They should take 3. But I'm not complaining. Not complaining. If I complain, I'm afraid they might, ooh, cutscenes. Doo 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 doo. Magic portal that has no story whatsoever. Ooh. Ah, we're on the other planet again. That's fun. Woohoo! Happy. He's a happy little catbird. We only got 6 out of 10 crowns. So we're gonna have to look at that next episode. So we got 5 out of 6, 3 out of 6, and 7 out of 8. But some of the crowns I just can't collect next episode. Sorry about that, but no, it doesn't work. But that was all for today, so
Yo, 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 yo.